What's up, guys? Today we're going to unbox this package here, it contains some sunglasses that I recently bought from Amazon.com. So let's hop into it. Thank you to SlushySlash for the idea. I'll link him down below. Bang. Yeah. Here we go. Nice. Looking good. Alright, here we go. Looks pretty good on it. Well, like only $14 on Amazon, pretty good. I do say so myself. Anyway, let's see here. Got a bag. Oh shoot! Looks like we got a, I don't know, weird keychain for some reason. And the thing, I don't know, man. Weird. What the hell is this, bro? Why can't they just giving me the sunglasses? Alright, here we go. Here they are. Unbox. Why they package these well? This well. Here we go, babe. Yeah, I guess they are a little fragile. Man, I was expecting these to be like plastic, brother. Like $14. Jesus Christ, brother. Let's see here. Let's try this on. Oh shoot, I need to check these off. Damn. Yeah. Alright. Like and subscribe right now.